Welcome to my YouTube channel Spice of Life. Today I am sharing the secret to melt in your mouth mutton or goat curry. You can easily make it at home. This traditional Indian style mutton curry is tender, spicy, and packed with rich flavors. Here I will be using 2.5 lb of mutton, 4 large size onion. Roughly chop the onion into thin slices. For tadka, I am using 8 to 10 black peppercorn, that is kali mirch, 4 to 5 cloves, that is long, 3 cardamom, choti lychee, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, that is jeera, 1 mace, that is javitri, and half inch of cinnamon, that is dalchini, 2 black cardamom, badi lychee. So crush the whole spices. Let's prepare the masala for the mutton. In a mixer jar, I have taken 1 tablespoon of jeera, 8 to 10 black peppercorn, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, 1 by 4 inch of cinnamon, 1 mace, 5 red chilies, grind it. Now add 10 to 15 pod of garlic, half inch ginger, 7 green chili, grind into a fine paste. Take a pressure cooker, add half cup of mustard oil. Heat the oil, now add 1 bay leaf, crushed whole spices, add chopped onions, saute the onion for 10-15 minutes or until it is light brown in color. Once the onion is light brown in color, add mutton. Saute for 5 minutes on high flame. Once mutton releases water, it's time to add basic spices. Add turmeric, masala paste we prepared, Kashmiri lal mirch, salt as per taste. Saute for 2-3 minutes on medium flame and cover it for 40 to 45 minutes on low medium flame. Check in between. Check the mutton in between. Once the mutton is tender, it's time to add water according to the gravy. Cover and cook it for until 2 whistles. Mutton is ready. Garnish it with fresh coriander. Cover and let it cool down at room temperature. Now it's time to serve the mutton. You can enjoy it with naan, roti, or with steamed rice. Follow my simple step by step recipe and create restaurant style mutton curry right in your kitchen. Try out the recipe. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know if you try out this recipe. Be sure to subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching.